Ice, baby. Let's go.
So I just we ran over to the gas station to get the guys some drinks. We are doing a office installation as well as a laundry room installation. We have a crew working downstairs and then a crew working upstairs. And well, Ramon and our helpers downstairs, and then I'm up in the laundry room. But we're almost done. We've gotten a lot accomplished today, so I'm very excited about that. I'm sure the homeowner is going to be whenever she gets home. That's it. I'll wait until we get back and I'll show you guys some more. Perfect. All right, guys. So today we are here at another awesome install. So yeah, this is actually, I was just putting this together. This is a little table that's going to go in the laundry room that they're going to be able to use it functional whenever they need it. They can go ahead and close it down. But right now, I'm just going to show you guys the Murphy bed that we're working on downstairs. It's going to be, it's a Murphy bed slash office area. So we're here. This is where the Murphy bed is going to go. We have a desk that's here for the kids, and there's going to be another desk right in the middle. So this is the whole entire layout. The Murphy bed's going to be right in here, and it's just going to fall down, and it's going to be able for them to use it whenever they need it, and they can sleep. As you guys already know, I got Mr. Ramon, aka the Wood Whisperer, here with me today. So, and then we're upstairs working on a small little, making a couple little changes. That little table that I was showing that flips up and down, that's going to go in the laundry room. So that's where we're at right now. This was a unit that we did a very long time ago for them. So they're repeat customers of ours. They've done a lot of work for, we've done a lot of work for them. We've always done some work for their friends. So it's pretty cool when you get called back, you know. All right, so let's go. This is laundry. The cabinet's gonna go up there. Countertop's gonna go over here. That little table's gonna sit right here, fold up whenever they need it. We're gonna put some floating shelves. And walla boom, walla bing, walla bing, bam. That's it. That's all we got. That's all we got, folks. That's all we got. If you have any questions, concerns, put them down in the link below. In the comment section. Subscribe. That button over there somewhere. Subscribe. Like, share. Tell your friends. Tell your mom. Tell your wife.
Let's do it.
Oh, hello there.
How's it going?
It's going very well. We made a mistake and we painted the fillers wrong, but that's nothing. We'll paint those up real nice, and then we'll put the shelves up in here. We're golden. We're golden. What was that? ¿Qué me estás diciendo? So we put these shelves up. Now I gotta put a floating shelf here. We got a couple floating shelves that are gonna go against that wall. We have that little table downstairs that I'm showing that flips up and down. That little table's gonna go right here. I have Ramon working downstairs. As soon as we're done doing these little things, putting the floating shelf up, putting the table up, we'll wrap up this here, and then we'll put the countertop up tomorrow. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Super groupie, dude. What's up, Flippin fam? So today we're back here at the Murphy location. We are almost done with this project. The last time you guys will see it, when it's all complete, stay tuned. Pretty much the Murphy bed is done, the guard is done, and the laundry room, the only thing that we got going on right now is just backsplash. The backsplash that we put on has some really cool designs and effects if you put it like horizontal or vertical. So we decided to do it vertical. right?
Yeah, that's very cool.
Yeah, right. See? You talking crap. You say I'm not that smart, but I am that smart.
I don't say that.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
It's alright, I'm watching you.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting good at this stuff.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just kidding, guys. But, so we just got a couple more towels to put on top. And then wait until tomorrow so we can go ahead and grout it and then clean this whole entire place up. Make sure it's really nice and neat. And then turn it over to the homeowners. Stay tuned. Yeah.
What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
That was the X in and out for the night.
Oh, okay, okay. So you're done for the night? Oh. What?
Right here, right here.
Okay. Juan, you done for the night? What's
Yes,
going on?
we're done for the night. I am extremely beat. It was a good day. It was a good day. It was very productive. It was very successful. We like it. The homeowner likes it. That's all that matters. See ya.
Welcome to our channel. We are going to show you this latest project that we've been working on. We actually did a lot of projects for them a few months ago, I would say maybe last year. And then now they hired us again to do more stuff. And I can't wait to show you. And I haven't even seen it either. So let's go check it out. Hi Adam, good, how are you?
Juan, you are on camera. You are on camera.
We're on camera?
Yeah.
Look at this. What? This came out amazing.
Who's that?
That's your wife.
What do you mean? Who's that?
What is she talking about?
The Murphy bed.
Came out good.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a couple problems.
Uh-oh.
Juan, I said you're on camera.
But we have to be honest. We have to be transparent.
Okay, what's the problem?
What's the problem?
Ted, I'm not on film.
Oh my gosh, babe.
Got him!
Well, where are you at?
I'm heading to another job site.
Why'd you leave so quick? I wanted you to be here.
I know, baby, but I had to go to another job site. Unfortunately, I don't have a jet where it gets me places fast like your car does.
Oh,
So
wow.
I'm driving trailers and all this stuff, but I'll call you right back. The customer's calling me.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Juan.
Bye.
Okay, so the first project was they needed something for this room. Here they're gonna have the kids, so we made a desk for their kids, and then this is also going to be her office, and then a guest room. So it's a little bit of everything in one room. So we created a Murphy bed built in, and we also created this table, which came out really, really, really good, really awesome. I like it. Okay, so here's the laundry room. In here, oh, it turned out really good. Okay, so for this room, it was just a boring laundry room. She wanted a little bit more functional, more with a little bit of style, and I sent her some ideas. And this were basically the ideas that I came up with: just a butcher block top, a rod to hang clothes, and another shelves. Then she wanted a table for more space. So we added this table, and then she's gonna put her laundry carts underneath. And then I told her she wanted a little bit of some style in this room. So I suggested doing maybe a light color like a bold but not so bold color. So this is just a very light green, and then do some fun backsplash. And this is how it came out.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
All right.
You there?
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I just literally saw like Brody's car drove by.
No. He's
The
here.
red one.
He's parked here.
I know, but I'm just saying it just looks like his car.
Oh.
I'm
Well,
not saying it's Brody.
It's not
It
him.
looks like Brody's car just passed by here.
Yeah, it's not him. Hey, I saw you put your touch in here on this shelves.
One more time.
I saw you put your touch in the laundry room.
Oh, that's that two over here, one over there.
Yep.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Okay. No, it looks good. It looks good. I like
How's the
it.
laundry room?
It looks good. I like it.
It's very pretty. I like how pretty it is.
It's very clean, very subtle.
Yeah.
I like how it turned out.
Very pretty. Very pretty.
I want to
That
show
does
you
not go on
this.
the YouTube video
what?
Why?
because it doesn't.
Oh, stop it.
It does not go on the YouTube video.
Yes, it will. Bye.
It won't. It better not go on the YouTube video.
Bye, love you.
Oh, Brody, I won't authorize that payment.
Love you. Bye. I can hear you. Okay, no, I wanted to show you this. I forgot.
Okay.
So she wanted a little bit more space to fold clothes since we have this big room and she only has this room. So she wanted another table that extended it. And this is what we came up with. And I love this mechanism. Just goes like that. Boom. And that's it.
I like that a lot. Beautiful.
Okay, let me show you the other projects we did for them before. So this is the other one. We created this built-in this is their playroom. We made this very functional for them, lots of storage. And then we did another project in their room. It was during COVID, I think. They needed an office. So we created an office in the room and then with some barn doors. But I think that would close. So. Yeah, we're not gonna show that right now. Yeah. So we can't show that. But I'll have pictures I can show you. So that's it. Alright guys, so this was the project. I hope you guys like it. We have big things coming soon, so you gotta stay tuned. See you on the flip side.